Team, this is Travel and Planet Rama YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain how I make videos for my YouTube channel. And last week I applied for remonetization, but you rejected. I don't know what's the reason. There are no any reuse content or other sources video. Only video I have taken, only my video. I can't understand what's the reason. So I didn't expect your decision. So this is how I make video. Please carefully consider about my request. This is my YouTube basic information. I started my YouTube journey 2020 4th 10th. That means 5 years ago, and I have 81,700 subscribers, and total number of views are 34,052,639, and I have 56 videos, and so also I have 140 shorts, and so especially I prefer to now I have 160 live stadiums. Lot of so also the 345 first and 49 playlist and 2 podcast. Now I am going to explain how I make videos from this junction. You can see the lot of there's a bus is there now. Bus is going there. I record this video, and after taking video I am going to the film or app and edit and upload to the YouTube my channel. That is how I upload video. Thank you. Things I want to tell you that a lot of subscribers of my channel are like to see vehicles, especially buses. Then I understand when I upload video, a lot of views come from this type of video. So that is why I lot of times I take buses and cars and going there and and upload to the YouTube channel now. Thank you. House, and this is the views comes here. Look at that. The views in my laptop, you can see that there are a lot of views comes here, and now 20,000 views are coming here, and I started this live stream before half an hour. You can see that 20,659 now views, and this is the my Filmora app, and I put this a lot of videos I taken to Filmora app and then taken to here, and this is how I take video, and this is the method and going and cut, and after taking another video like this, and gathered and add music also, and after export like this, and this is the my editing method, YouTube team. Thank you. And finally I request you to please consider about the above my videos, and try to give my monetization back, and I hope to do my channel without breaking community guidelines in future. So please be kind enough to give back to me monetization if you are satisfied about my channel. Thank you very much, YouTube team.